YouTube, what's good? Q View. And today we got the XP Pro on the chopping block. Let's get into it. 4-inch bull barrel, 1-piece full-length guide rod, window cut and extra aggressive serrations, steel frame, aluminum grip, Glock mags. And be thumb safeties. Extended slide release. Because I don't know about y'all, but at least for me with 1911s and 2011s, my hands aren't quite big enough, so when I do reloads, it's kind of hard for me to get over to that side to hit the slide release. I usually have to do it with my support hand. With this gun, I'm actually able to hit that slide release every single time. Double stack 1911 that uses Glock mags. Come on now, the most reliable mags on the market. You can't beat it. I'd rather pay $30 for a Glock mag instead of $100 to, well, $60 to $100+ for 2011, 1911 mags. All right, so let's check out the hits. I did one bill drill slow and one bill drill fast. I would like the grouping to be tighter, but all of them in except 2. So I'll take that. Let's shoot it some more and let's see how I go. Let's check out the hits on that run. Got a D here and C here. We'll go over. CA here and AD. Just need to be a little more control with my support hand grip. Let's check out the trigger on this bad boy. The slide is glass, no hang up at all. Couldn't say the same about my Prodigy. Couldn't say the same.
Dang. That's tough.
But no hang up on all. Let's look at the trigger. A little uptake there. Pull it. Reset. Very short. I can honestly say that I would have preferred to buy this over my Prodigy. I think this came out maybe like a week after I bought my Prodigy, and after shooting both of them and having both of them, I will for sure pick the XP Pro over the Prodigy. Hey, don't get mad at me. That's just my opinion. I really do like everything about it. I feel like Fusion and Ermo got everything right, from price point to how the gun feels. It was natural for me to do reloads with this gun. The probably only con that I had with the gun is I get no slide lockup because I have such a high grip. So it's hard for me to get a slide lock back when the mag is empty, but otherwise that, it's not like a big complaint to me. I'm pretty sure I can fix that over time, maybe try to change my grip up a little. All right, so we're gonna check out the hits on that run. We got all A zones here. All A zones here. Ooh, that's on the line, but that's all A zones too. And as y'all seen, I hit both steels. Overall, this gun was a 10 out of 10 to me. In my honest opinion, it's for sure a cop. I don't see why anybody would not want to get something that look this damn good, that doesn't shoot like a small gun with the 4-inch barrel and takes Glock mags. I'm not saying, you know, the staccatos out there, the $3,000 to $10,000 guns, but if you want to get into the 2011 market and you got a bunch of Glock mags, go ahead, run to your local gun store and get you a Fusion XP Pro. .173 that time, but not all A zones. But let's check out the hits. Yeah, so 1, 2 out. This is a shot that was already there, so I got 4 A zone and 2 out. Let's run one more. .151.
Nice.
Let's see the hits. I don't think all A zone, but shit, I like that I'm going that fast. 1 out. Hey, 5 in and 1 out. No. Yeah, 5 in and 1 out. That one was already there. Yep. 5 in and 1 out. That's the only one I had out. I really think Fusion Firearms knocked it out the park with this thing. Great build quality. Gun shoots great, feels amazing in hand. Shout out to my boy Josh for letting me use the gun for the video. It was greatly appreciated, bro. Get down in the comments. Let me know what y'all think about the XP Pro. QView, XP Pro, I'm out.